Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to charge the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now there are three methods to charge your iPhone. For the first method, just use a USB Type-C charging cable to charge your iPhone. Just make sure you use Apple's original adapter and the charging cable to get the maximum charging speed. But if you use a third party or a low quality charger, it could harm your iPhone. For the second method, you can charge your iPhone wirelessly. For that, just turn on your wireless charger, then place your iPhone on the wireless charger. And after you do that, your iPhone will start charging wirelessly. For the third method, you can use a MagSafe charger to charge your iPhone wirelessly. Now basically a MagSafe charger is a wireless charger which connects with the back of your iPhone using the magnets which are placed at the back of your iPhone. In normal wireless charging, if your iPhone is placed on a wireless charger and if you move your iPhone slightly, the wireless charging will stop. But if you use a MagSafe charger, the charger will not detach since it is connected with the back of your iPhone using magnets. So it is more secure. And this is how you can charge the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.